Bought a DINAN rear muffler for the M6. The M6 stock muffler is 3 inches. This is 3.5, so it should be a little bit louder. What's up? Just picked up the M6 from the shop. I had a DINAN rear muffler installed on it, and also installed the P3 boost gauge that goes into the fucking vent. But it still retains half the vent, unlike the one in the M2 and M3, which delete the whole vent. But yeah, right now I'm about to head down to the body shop to go drop off a couple parts for the E36. Yeah, I'll show you what's up with that. They just painted the car, so I'll give you guys a nice little look around it if they let me. But yeah, no, I'll let you guys hear how the M6 sounds. Jeez, there's so much fucking traffic on this road. My bad, I'm getting really distracted. So yeah, this is basically what I got the gauge for. To display the coolant temp and oil temp. Because I can't read fucking Celsius like that. If you didn't know, the car's in kilometers. I got it from Canada. These are the parts I'm dropping off at the body shop for the E36. Got matte black kidney grills and a sunroof seal. This is an M2 part. It's for the Kratos turbos. Yeah, that was the inlet pipe. I had to put a new one on just because they updated it. But yeah, we out to the body shop. So we're here at the body shop. Fresh paint and it already got dirty. God damn. But yeah, no, I mean, it came out pretty clean. M6 right there. It looks sick. Look at this that they're working on here also. This thing is sick. Nine months the car's been here at this body shop. They are taking their time with it, but it is coming out pretty good. They already topped the trunk for the lightweight wing. I can't wait to see it put on the car. But yeah, soon I should have the car back. I can't fucking wait. Gonna have to head home before it starts to pour. M6 does not do well in the rain.
Exclusive. Yeah, I told the bitch that popped the perk, I gave her half on chicks. We chillin' at my